In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Hotmail verification phone number. Keeping your verification number up to date is important for staying signed in securely and for recovering your account if you ever get locked out. I'll walk you through the exact path in your Microsoft account so it's quick and frustration free. Start by going to the Outlook sign-in page on the Microsoft 365 website. On that page, click Sign In and log in with your Hotmail or Outlook account. Use a trusted device and a secure network, and only enter your credentials on the official Microsoft site. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon, which may show your initials or a picture. From the menu that appears, choose My Microsoft Account. This opens the main account portal where your profile, subscriptions, and security settings live. In the account portal, go to the Security section. This is where Microsoft stores your sign-in preferences and the ways you can prove it's really you, like phone numbers and email addresses. Next, select Manage How I Sign In. This page lists your sign-in aliases and security info. On the right side, click Manage to open the controls for updating your verification methods. When prompted, click Next to continue. You may be asked to confirm your identity before making changes. This is normal and helps protect your account. When you reach the verification step, choose a phone number to verify your identity. If multiple methods are shown, pick the one that's most convenient and accessible to you. Then select phone as the method you want to add or update. Make sure your country code is correct, enter the number you want to use going forward, and confirm that you have access to that device. Follow the on-screen process to finish. Typically, Microsoft will send a code by text or call to the number you entered. Retrieve that code on your phone, enter it back on the website, and confirm. The system will update your security info and, in some cases, ask if you want to make this your primary verification method. Accept any confirmations to save your changes. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your browser up to date. Double check that the number shown matches your device, and wait a moment for changes to sync across Microsoft services. If you don't see the update right away, refresh the page and sign out and back in if needed. And that's it. Your Hotmail verification phone number is now updated and ready to help keep your account secure.